Guys, welcome back. Tonight, we're making a creamy mushroom chicken. It's all in one pan and it's only 5 ingredients. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, for this dish, it really is only 5 ingredients. I have a medley of mushrooms here. I have a red onion. I'm using 2 because I'm using little small ones. Usually I just use 1 big medium one. 2 chicken breasts here. Then I have some whole grain mustard and a little bit of heavy cream. That is it. To get started, I have a pan. I'm gonna go put that on medium-high heat. I'm gonna let that pan come up and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Mushrooms, I'm not even gonna slice, just tear them apart. You can make this a little bit more rustic. Make sure your mushrooms are clean too. Don't put them under water because you're gonna absorb all that water. Get a cloth, like a little damp paper towel, and just rub all that dirt off. Once that pan is hot, I'm gonna go in with all of our mushrooms. We'll get those started off first. While those are going, I'm gonna slice up these onions. I've taken the tip off and I've taken the root off. And all I'm gonna do now is follow that natural anatomy of the onion and just do thin slices. And my chicken breasts, I'm gonna slice those into little strips. To those mushrooms, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Nice, we're getting some good color on those mushrooms. I'm also just gonna salt and pepper my chicken. Once our mushrooms have a nice browning on them, we can go ahead, toss in all of these onions. Ah, I was doing so well not spilling. And our chicken breasts. Give that all a toss now. Nice. Just gonna spread these chicken breasts out so each kind of has a little bit of contact with that pan. Get a nice heaped tablespoon of mustard and about 1/4 cup of heavy cream is gonna go in. And then I'm gonna put in just a little splash of water, get that all stirred in. Now bring this up to the boil. We're gonna let this simmer now for about 5 minutes, just until all that cream and mustard reduces into a more of a thick sauce, and that'll be it, we'll be done. All right guys, it's been about 6 or 7 minutes. Look how that has reduced down now into this pan sauce here. The chicken is cooked through, so we can go ahead and take this off the heat. That's the meal. I'm gonna plate this up with this a little bit of a side salad, some Brussels sprouts here, a couple cherry tomatoes, olive oil, splash of vinegar, red wine vinegar, a little bit of salt. Take some of our chicken, put that right next to it, and there you go. That's a quick mushroom creamy chicken, quick side salad. You have dinner in about 10 minutes. That's gonna do it for tonight's episode. I'll see you next time. I'm Donnie. Peace.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.